How to install XAPK files on Android. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar. Now type XAPK and tap on search. Now tap on install. Open the application. Now tap on OK. Now enable this toggle and go back. Now locate the file you downloaded. Now tap on the application and tap on extract here. Now find the .apk file. Now tap on install. Now tap on install. So by following this simple step, you can install XAPK file on Android. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.